Hey guys, so I've got kind of a fun announcement to make, and I didn't want to wait till the next stream. I'm currently broadcasting from a secret bunker in an undisclosed location. So Banggood is going to let me have a special code that is only for my people, they say. So this isn't something I can put on YouTube. It's only for whoever I pick, I guess. And the way it's going to work is I can pick a product from their website and they will give me the code to sell 5 of those things at their cost. So I don't get any margin, they don't make any money. In fact, I think they said they would even pay shipping, so there's no shipping cost either. And they actually encouraged me to pick something expensive because then the deal would be better for whoever gets to buy it. So what I'm thinking is together, me and all of you can decide what product we want to pick first. And I think if we do this successfully, they'll let us do it more than once. So we need to pick some kind of a prize product. I'm thinking something big like a 3D printer, or I don't know, a drone, or what else, whatever. I don't know. We need some ideas. And then once we pick the product, then they will give me the code, and the code can be used 5 times. So I think what we'll do then is we'll have to pick some winners. So once we pick the product, we'll have to have everybody kind of say, you know, who wants to be in the lottery to get the code, and then we can give out the code 5 times. But if you get the code, if somebody wins and they get the code, they have to use the code within the first day. And we need to make sure that all 5 get used so that we can get to do it again. So I don't know. I mean, this is kind of new. I haven't heard of this before, but Banggood buddy Wudi just contacted me in the last day or two, and we've been working out the details on how we can make this happen. So again, I think it's a pretty good opportunity to get something really cool for really cheap. So let's chat about it. I'm going to make a little channel over there, and we'll call it, Banggood Lottery or something like that. And we can start off with deciding what product we want to have the first code for. And once we've decided on the product, then we'll figure out how we're going to pick winners. But if you win, you got to buy it. If you're not going to buy it, like if you win and you're not going to buy it, then we need to make sure somebody else does get the code and buy it. So it should be pretty good. Again, this is just like a reward for I guess because I've helped them sell a lot of stuff, and so they're giving me the chance to give out to you guys some pretty good screaming deals from what they're telling me. So we'll have to see exactly what the price works out to for something like a 3D printer, but I'm hoping that it comes out pretty good for us. So it's exciting. So watch for the channel to pop up over there, the text channel, and jump in and give me some ideas about what kind of product you want, and I'll start dropping some links in there about things I think might be good. So, okay? Good times. Adios.